Hey, this is for, I wasn't ready to start this video. Day 15, absolute value functions, part 1. What we're doing is we're trying to make some guesses and see how good they are. So, some key concepts. Have you ever played a guessing game where the guess that is closest to a target number wins? In such a game, it doesn't matter if the guesses are above or below the largest number. What matters is how far off the guess is from the target number, or the absolute guessing error. Absolute just means how far away from this. Again, positive, negative just tells us which direction. Positive difference means you're to the right. Negative difference means you're to the left. But again, absolute difference doesn't matter. We're just saying how far in either direction. So if we're, let's see, suppose 8 number made these guesses for the number of pretzels in the jar, and the actual number of pretzels is 22. So the actual number of pretzels is 22. So 23 is 1 off, and so is 24 is 2 off, and 28 is going to be 6 off. Now 14, while it's in the opposite direction, is still just 8 off. These are the absolute guessing errors. If we graph those, we end up with this V, which is interesting. 21 and 23 are both winning guesses, even though one number is an underestimate and the other is an overestimate. They're both only 1 away from 22. Of all the absolute guessing errors, 1 is the smallest one. So if we plot the guesses, we get a V. Suppose the actual number of pretzels is 19. So before, the actual number of pretzels was 22. Here, the actual number of pretzels is 19. If you take a look at this, where's the point of the V? Well, here it's at 22. Here it's at 19. What is the relationship between guesses and absolute guessing errors? Always have this kind of graph. Why? We'll talk more about that in the next lesson, but let's take a look at this. We want to take a look at a bag of almonds. Bags of almonds from a food producer are advertised to weigh 500 grams each. Hey, look at that. The point of the V is right at 500. Wow. 20 bags of almonds are weighed. The scatter plot shows the absolute error between the actual weight and the advertised weight of those bags. Estimate the largest absolute error. What was the weight of that bag? Largest absolute error. Well, these are the absolute errors, so the largest would be further up. And then another bag weighed 495.3 grams. What was its absolute error? Well, how far off of 500 is 495.3? If you have any questions, let me know.